Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Wang. Here is the question. If t is the root of x plus log of x to the base 10 equals 3, u is the root of x plus 10 to the power x equals 3. What is the value of t plus u? This is the first given condition. T is the root of x plus log x equals 3. We can move x to the right-hand side. We have log x equals 3 minus x. Because t is the solution of this equation, this implies t is the x-coordinate of the intersection of the following two functions. The first function is y equals log of x. The second function is y equals 3 minus x. One is the left-hand side. The other is the right-hand side. From the second given condition, we have 10 to the power x equals 3 minus x. We have the similar result. U is the x-coordinate of the intersection of the following two functions. Y equals 10 to the power x and y equals 3 minus x. Let's check the graphs. T is the root of x plus log x equals 3. From the result we just derived, u is the x-coordinate of the intersection of two functions. The first function is this, y equals log x. The second function is this, y equals 3 minus x. The intersection point is C. The x-coordinate of point C is t. Similarly, we have the intersection point A, which is the intersection of two curves, y equals 10 to the power x, y equals 3 minus x. U is the root of x plus 10 to the power x equals 3. U is the coordinate of this intersection point. Here, we can see u's here. Now, what is the relationship between y equals 10 to the power x and y equals log x to the base 10? They are inverses each other. What does that mean? In geometry, the two curves are symmetric about y equals x. Because y equals 3 minus x is perpendicular to y equals x. You can check the slope. Here slope is 1, here slope is -1. the two lines are perpendicular. Therefore, if B is the intersection point of the two perpendicular lines, then we have A and C are symmetric about this point B. This implies B is the middle point of A and B. This implies the x-coordinate of B is the average of T plus U, because B is the middle point. What is the x-coordinate of this middle point? This is the intersection of the two curves, y equals x, y equals 3 minus x. Solve this linear system. We can find x equals 3 minus x. This implies 2x equals 3. X equals 3/2. What is x? X is this value. T plus U divided by 2 equals x, equals 3/2. Both sides times 2. Then we have T plus U equals 3. 3 is the answer. That's all. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.